Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to quickly show you a cryptocurrency called NEA and how well it's doing in this kind of bear market. So you can see I'm on TradingView here on a daily chart that the currency's been doing well since September. In comparison, let's have a look at some popular cryptocurrencies. For instance, let's have a quick look at Binance. Yeah, so you can see obviously had a massive growth and obviously a correction. Let's have a look at Uni or Uniswaps. Similar. It seems like it's found resistance. And Litecoin, same thing. And XRP or Ripple, yeah, very similar. Yeah. So now let's compare NEAR with XRP. So let's say if we want to, buy NEAR using XRP. Yeah, check this out. So it's quite interesting. So if you are able to swap NEAR, yeah, if you were able to swap XRP for NEAR, then it looks like a quite wise move at the moment. Yeah, as you can see, nice channel, very nice channel. If you don't know this command, you just go to Binance, you type one currency or one token, colon, and yeah, and then the second token, and then you see a graph. So this is this is possible that the near Ripple relationship might be going that way. Um, just in case you guys don't know, you can on Binance you can also short Bitcoin, just buying BTC Downs coin. So you can see how it's been going up since November. Obviously, it reflects the price of Bitcoin going down. All right, so let's head to Uniswap and let's see if we can swap any of these tokens that we've been analyzing. All right, so LTC is not there. All right, so let's try Ripple. Not there. All right, let's try Luna. Yes, is there. Is wrapped. Okay. Let's try Nia. Nope, not there. Okay, so it doesn't look like we can use Uniswap to this work. So let's head to Google and let's see what sort of sites are coming up that they can swap, let's say, Litecoin, LTC for NEAR. Okay, so let's exchange.io. So cool. Let's click on that. Okay, so let's see. I want to swap one Litecoin. Okay, and okay, so it's about 13.9. Cool. All right, so I found this site, swapcryptos.co. All right, so let's see. I want to swap this one, LTC for NEAR. All right, so let's see what they come back with. Right, still thinking. All right, so I'm getting slightly more 14.2 than the previous site, so it looks like a better deal. So in order to do that, I need to sell LTC and buy NEAR. All right, so this one is it looks like is a full service, and the other one was a DIY kind of service. All right, so simple swap is very popular. So let's see if I get one Litecoin. Okay, so the price for NEAR is very similar to the one that we saw before. Swap cryptos still has the better price. All right, so let's try Curve, which is a very popular protocol as well. Let's see how many Curve I can get with Litecoin. All right, so let's see. With one Litecoin, I can get 34.2, and here is quite a lot more. Right, so it's 34.22. 43.8, so it's quite a lot. All right, so and the way we could do this is just selling Litecoin for Bitcoin, and then buying back Curve using Bitcoin. Right, so we'll link to this site on the description of this video. It looks quite nice DIY solution. Basically, they tell you the best way where you can swap currency, buying and selling crypto assets within your own Binance account. So it's 100% safe. You don't have to share or send money anywhere else. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button. See you later, guys. Cheers. Bye.